Welcome! In this experience, we'll walk through the Egen Intelligent Retail Ad Generator. Your goal is to launch a new campaign for multiple products across several channels and countries, all while ensuring brand consistency. Everything starts here on the campaign dashboard. You have a single visual overview of all your campaigns, with their current status, whether they are live, approved, or in review, along with key stats at a glance. To start a new campaign, the workflow is simple. First, select all the products or SKUs that you want to promote. Next, define the channels and audience. Select all the platforms you want to target, such as Instagram, Facebook, and Google Search, as well as all the regions where you want to launch the campaign, like the US, UK, and Germany. Now for the really powerful part. With a single click, the AI generates all the ad variants for every product, channel, and region. Here, you can see the generated ad for an Instagram post in the United States. It gives a live preview and shows the AI-generated headline, description, and call to action. You can also see the brand adaptation the AI automatically applied, with simple descriptions of the tone, voice, and regional focus. Another advantage comes from localization. By switching the region to Germany, the AI translates the copy and adapts it for the culture. The localization notes are generated by the AI and explain how the campaign was tailored, from cultural and visual adaptations to language considerations. The ad is instantly ready for a new audience. The ad generator also has a debug mode, which gives a transparent view of how the AI builds each campaign step by step. It shows the entire process, from analyzing products and applying brand guidelines to assembling the final campaign, so you can clearly see what the AI is doing under the hood. So, in just a few clicks, you've created a multi-channel, multi-region ad campaign that is localized and on-brand. This is how the Intelligent Retail Ad Generator accelerates speed to market, ensures global brand consistency, and helps launch better campaigns faster.